Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I am super happy to be sharing with you two profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, and they fit the profitability metrics that we are talking about in this channel. So I apologize if there is any sort of background noise. It is currently extremely cold here in Australia, and I have the heater open at the back, so my apologies if there's anything that affects the noise. I'll try my best to put this through a noise filter. Apart from that, I'll be sharing with you two profitable Amazon KDP keywords for today. And if you're new, hello, I'm Nora. I do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP tips and tricks and strategies that I implement myself. And every now and then I'll be sharing with you profitable KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, and there will be two free trials linked in the description box below. One for Creative Fabrica, next one for Canva Pro. Take advantage of these 30-day free trials if you haven't yet done so. Also, I will be using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords, and the video specifically talking about how to correctly activate and utilize and use these free Chrome extensions for your own keyword research will be linked in the description box below, so take advantage of that. With that being said, let's head to the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword is book social skills for teens with anxiety. Book social skills for teens with anxiety has absolutely amazing results. As you can see here, green light, ready to go by Self-Publishing Titans, Chrome extension of the keyword niche score of 72. Super high. Also, Amazon Scout Pro has given us number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche, but I'm going to go with 72. Not because it's high and it supports what I'm saying, but it's because it supports and complements the data that we have right here backing the results. Starting with the total results of 1,225, which is within the 1,000 range. Of course, the lower the better. Average bestseller rank within the 100,000 range, and it is sitting at 168,433. Average reviews is 467, and average price is $14.42. Now, I like this keyword because it is a long tail. It has what we need started. And also, there is one missing element that we can add here, which is the audience. What audience are we creating this book for? Specifically, now I know it's teens, and specifically when it comes to teens with anxiety, but are they female? Are they male? Do they have any other additional needs, such as neurodiversity? Do they have ADHD? Do they have dyslexia, for example? Do they have autism? We are going to be creating social skills for teens with anxiety, books to do with that, specifically when it comes to workbooks. Now, workbooks, you want them to be sized anywhere between 6 by 9 inches or 8.5 times 11 inches. I've also created multiple templates for you linked in the description box below. They're available for you for free to download under this section. Just simply download them. Also use the Canva editable template to add in whatever makes it unique, such as changing the color of the font, for example, adding in text, taking out text, adding in elements such as images and borders, and then re-upload to KDP. Also, let's dive into the first page, and we are specifically focusing on books that have a bestseller rank under 100,000. That is not sponsored on the first page. Starting with this one, this has an amazing bestseller rank of 42,126 and is currently selling 150 copies per month, titled The Savvy Teen. Next up, we've got 3,993. This is DBT Skills Workbook. Now, although it doesn't specifically state the keyword in order, I'm sure it's mentioned in 7 keyword slots, and that's why it's ranking. This one sells a massive 780 copies on a monthly basis. Next up, we've got 11,544, Anxiety Relief for Teens. It's selling consistently. We have 82,000 for this, selling 60 copies on an approximate on a monthly basis. 35,000 for this one, selling a massive 180 copies monthly, titled The Social Skills Workbook for Teens. As well, this one's 79,000. As you can see, we're not even halfway through the page, and we have about 5 to 6 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000 on the first page with no sponsored posts. So there's no ads running for this. Utilize this wonderful keyword. There are also templates and interiors available in Creative Fabrica for social skills, especially when it comes to teenagers with anxiety. So have a look at these. I will include some links in the description box below. Let's head to the second keyword for the day, which is also amazing. Now, this is a keyword that you can use for the 7 keyword slots. It's very flexible. It's very varied as well. It's friendship gifts for kids, and it has a keyword niche score of 59 by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension, a keyword niche score number 7 by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this as a nice niche and complementing each other as well. The total results are quite high, but that's why I recommend this for the 7 keyword slots for anything friendship related. So if you have a friendship book, if you have a friendship workbook, if you have anything related to, for example, a storybook about friendship that's currently published in your Amazon KDP portfolio, go ahead and add this wonderful keyword in your 7 keyword slots so it can be able to rank for this. The average bestseller rank is within the under 100,000. It's sitting at 83,791, which is really nice as well. Next up, we've got the average reviews 2,649 and average price is $12.94. Scrolling down, we've got a couple of really good products, physical products that we can also use as inspiration for this keyword as well. We've got some journals in there, we've got some friendship bracelets, we've got a couple of mostly crafts related. So maybe this is also a little bit of tip for you to start to utilize or start to do your own keyword research when it comes to a craft workbook, especially to do with craft teaching kids, for example, to do their own bracelets, a step-by-step one. If you are technical, you could also get ChatGPT to help you with that, but you always need to disclose that to Amazon. Now, Amazon is not against you using AI, but it wants you to specifically disclose and honestly say what AI tool you used and to what extent you used it, to what percentage, for example, if you used any images or so forth, and you'll be good to go. So these were the 2 keywords for today. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.